In the winter months, it's always nice to have a heater, but the biggest question when buying a heater is, do you buy a gas or an electric heater? Both gas and electric heaters vary in size, specification and cost, but the general facts remain the same across the entire range available at builders. So let's have a look at both to help you decide. First, the initial cost of buying an electric heater is far lower than buying a gas heater, and you'll need a gas cylinder to run a gas heater. But in the long run, a gas heater will work out cheaper. This is because electrical heaters are not very energy efficient and will use a lot more electricity to produce heat, especially when looking at coil heaters. Now you can get the same heat output from a gas heater using just a small amount of gas, and when converting electricity and gas to a cost, the cost of running a gas heater is far less than the cost of running an electric heater to get the same heat. Now that sounds like a done deal, but there are some other factors you need to know before you decide. Things like weight and size. Gas heaters are far bigger and heavier and take up a lot more space in your home than what electric heaters do. Electric heaters are available in a range of sizes and shapes to suit your needs, and some are even wall mountable. But that convenience can put excessive strain on your power circuits in your home. Now that compared to a gas heater, which needs a gas bottle that can run empty and needs to be refilled. Now that can be an inconvenience, especially when electricity is always available. Here's a tip to help you check how much gas is left in your cylinder. Now LPG is stored as a liquid under pressure, and when you use it, it converts back to a gas, drawing heat through the cylinder walls, leaving it cold to the touch. That means you can run your hand down the cylinder during or just after use, and you should feel the cold level. And under the right conditions, you may even see a line of condensation. Now don't forget that you can have your gas cylinders refilled in store at your local builders. Another advantage to a gas heater is it's more portable. You can put it anywhere without it having to be connected to an electrical outlet. Now using a flame, gas heaters provide instant heat, when electrical heaters may take some time to heat up, but this does come with its own drawbacks. Now a flame means you do need to take some extra safety precautions, and it does slightly reduce the air quality in your home. So to recap, electric heaters are cheaper to buy initially, but aren't very energy efficient and use a lot of electricity to produce heat, whereas a gas heater is a bit more expensive initially, but you will save money in running costs. And remember, you can find a range of cylinder sizes at builders to fit your requirements. So now you know the pros and cons of gas versus electric heaters to help you make your decision. Now for a wide range of heaters available at builders, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for a wide range of videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to builders, get it done.